and join us. Oh. Oh. This is Scotland. We're on Harris, we're at Liskintyre Beach.
How do you say that again?
Liskintyre. You just got the sky! Lucy pants, didn't you? What did I do with my phone? It goes, there's a way it goes. So have you seen my glasses? So have you seen my phone? Aye. Oh Jamie, where are you? Do come and rescue me on your big horse, you handsome ginger. This is a professional photographer. Yeah, look at, oh wait, I don't have batteries. Good morning. Okay. Woohoo! Come on, so let's go! Who, me? Oh. We are on our way to the fairy pools, the magical fairy pools.